Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Dribbble. So first of all, go ahead to the website and let's do a deep dive on what is Dribbble and is it for small business. So Dribbble is a product design platform where building and skilled designers can learn product design, create and share the design portfolio with a community of designers, and get product design jobs. Dribbble is a social media platform, a product design school, and a freelancer job site that seeks to connect design professionals to hiring managers and companies that need design expertise. Dribbble teaches an introductory product design course and design upskill course to ensure that hiring managers discover skilled designers when they visit Dribbble. Dribbble has been around since 2009, and while it's a playground for designers, it's also a robust resource for discovering creative talent, hence small businesses. And you can use Dribbble to source design expertise to hire full-time or outsource their project. Now, how to use Dribbble as a small business. First, you will create your account initially. Dribbble used to be an invite-only platform, but now anyone can create an account on Dribbble. Dribbble is not free to use, and you will have to pay monthly subscriptions. Besides paying to use the platform, Dribbble is pretty easy to use. And on the website, you will find Hire Designers button at the top with the drop-down list of the 3 items. Designer search, and list my job opening, and post a freelancer project. And then Dribbble hiring has 3 types of paid access. Job board and designer search both cost $200 or $299 per month, or you can combine both and pay $499 per month. Job board lets you post your design job listing, while designer search allows you to search for designers. You can only post 1 job listing with a job board account, but you have unlimited edits to change the listing. Dribbble expects you to post a job listing, hire someone or not on Dribbble, and after a while post another job listing one at a time. And designer search, on the other hand, gives you access to search through thousands of designers using optimized filters to search by location, experiences, and specialization, and then budget, etc. You can also review designers' portfolios to make your hiring decision. Hiring on Dribbble, once you're ready to hire a designer for your project, payment access will determine what you can access on Dribbble. If you pay for job boards access, ensure to write your job listing clearly. Define the project, choose the experience level that you want to apply to that job, and then state your budget and look at the portfolio and the reviews of the designers who show interest to determine whether they are up to the task before you create a contract for the project. The same applies for a designer search. All right, so according to Dribbble website, over 1 million designers use this platform, and over 60,000 companies have hired design talent on Dribbble. So we can say that it's pretty popular among recruiters. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.